David?
Open the door, let's make this easy.
Oh, wait. After spending pretty much all confinement binge watching David Dobrik vlogs, I got inspired to design a hoodie for him. The ultimate vlogging hoodie. This is both a challenge of building a hoodie from scratch and adding features, but also creating a unique design with a story. After drawing and brainstorming, I came up with 3 ideas. First, I wanted to include a zipper in the kangaroo pocket, allowing whoever wears it to film hands-free. Perfect for like pranks or hidden cameras filming. Started measuring the kangaroo pocket, cut the kangaroo pocket, stitched the zipper, and done. Feature 1 completed. My second idea was all about SD cards and camera batteries. A vlogger like David Dobrik that films all day needs a lot of SD cards and, well, a set of batteries. Heck, even I do. I want to include a secret pocket on the sleeve allowing you to store cards and battery easily. Got a zipper, stitched the pocket to include on the sleeve, unstitched the current sleeve, stitched the pocket to the sleeve, stitched the zipper to the sleeve, done. Feature 2 completed. The third idea is very David Dobrik, as it involves paintball guns and paintballs. David, as far as I'm concerned, has 2 types of guns. This one and this one.
Hey, Todd.
I want to create a pocket that can store paintballs for this one and will simply store the smaller one for quick release. Cowboy style. Got some fabric leftovers I used for a past project, measured a pocket that has volume for a handful of paintballs, cut the fabric, stitched the pocket together, wanted to include a closure with a button, but I didn't think it would be useful. Cut the pocket at the bottom to include another zipper, stitched the pocket to the hoodie left side, and done. Feature 3 completed. Here's how this works. You fill the pocket with paintballs from the top. If you want to unload, simply open the zipper and let the paintballs fall into the gun storage. Quick reload, you're back in the game. You can also store your minigun on the side, just in case. Now for my favorite part, something I've never done on this channel or actually ever before, which is the design of a garment. I wanted to stay on the paintball theme and I got inspired. I started with the back, showing a big paintball impact with the wording, "David was here," as if he just shot you. Fans of David would love that, I feel, as if it's, if you know type of story. And I feel like the colors could be a cool Halloween drop if he does merch with this. On the front, I kept it super simple, 3 smaller paintballs impact, which I think looks sick. First time spray painting on anything, I gotta say, it's hella fun. Ready for the reveal? Alright, thanks for watching. David, if planets aligned and you end up seeing this video, comment down below your size and I'll make you one.